Want to use custom indicators in your trading strategy? Here's how to create one in Metatrader 4. First, open Metatrader 4 on your device. Click on Insert in the top menu and select Indicators. From the drop-down menu, choose the type of indicator you want to create, like trend, oscillators, or many more. Select your indicator and a settings window will appear where you can customize it to suit your trading strategy. Adjust the parameters as needed and click OK to apply the indicator to your chart. Experiment with different indicators to find what works best for your strategy. What's your favorite trading indicator? Share it with me in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.